everyone. I am your maths teacher Naisha Motwani. Today again I am here to teach you maths. In previous video we had learnt properties of multiplication and multiplication without regrouping. In this video we will learn multiplication with regrouping. With regrouping means with carry. So let's look first example. First example is multiply 58 by 6. 58 by 6. So here look, 2 digit multiply by 1 digit with regrouping. So let's start solving. First we will write places, ones, tens, 58 multiply by 6. First we will multiply ones place digit by 6. 8 into 6. So we will read table of 6 8 times. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48. So 8 is at the ones place and 4 is at the tens place. So we will write 8 below the ones place and 4 goes up as a carry to the tens place. Now again we will multiply 6 with the tens place digit. 5 into 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30. 30 plus carry 4, it is equals to 34. So here 100 place also needed. So here it is coming ones place is 4, so it's come below the tens place and 3 goes up as carry to the 100 place. So no digit is here, so 3 is coming as it is down 3. So our answer is 348. Now the next question is multiply 216 by 4. In this question we will learn how to multiply 3 digit by 1 digit with regrouping once. So let's look how to solve. Again we will write in the places first ones, tens, 100. Here is 216 multiply by 4. So again let's start multiplying from the ones place. 6 into 4. 6 4 ja 24. So 4 is coming below the ones place. 2 goes up as a carry to the tens place. Then again 1 4 ja 4. 4 plus 2, it is equals to 6. Then next is 100 place. 2 multiply by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So our answer is 864. Next is example 3. Multiply 265 by 7. In this question we will learn how to multiply 3 digit by 1 digit with regrouping twice. So let's see here. Again we will write first ones, tens, 100. Number is 265. I have to multiply this number by 7. So ones place is 5. 5 multiply by 7. So 7 will read table of 7 how many times? 5 times. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35. So 5 come below the ones place, 3 goes up as a carry. Now again we will multiply 7 with the tens place. What is it? 6. 6 into 7. We will read table of 7 how many times? 6 times. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42. 42 plus 3. It is equals to 45. So 5 comes below the tens place and this 4 goes up as a carry to the 100 place. Now again 100 place digit is 2. 2 into 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. 14 plus 4 carry, it is equals to 18. So write here 1000 place also. Yes. So it is 8 come below the 100 place and 1 goes up as carry to the 1000 place. So no number is here. So this one coming as it is. So our answer is 1855. Now let's solve some question from your exercise 4.3 from your book. So first question is 56 multiplied by 3. So read table of 3 how many times? 6 times. 6 3 ja 3 6 ja 18, 1 carry. 3 5 ja 15, 15 plus 1 16. So our answer is 168. Now moving to the next question. We'll read table of 5 9 times. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 3 ja 15, 4 ja 20, 5 ja 25, 6 ja 30, 7 ja 35, 8 ja 40 and 9 ja 45. So 5 below the ones place and 4 goes up as a carry. Now again 5, table of 5 how many times? 7 times. 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4 39. So answer is 395. The next question is 29 multiplied by 7. So we will read table of 7 how many times? 9. So I am writing directly here 7 9 ja 63, 3, 6 goes up as a carry. Then 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So our answer is 203. Next is question number 4. 54 multiplied by 9. So children, remember, for learning multiplication, you all have to learn the table thoroughly. Okay. 9 4 ja 36, 3 carry. 9 5 ja 45, 46, 47, 48. So our answer is 486. Now I am going to solve some questions from your book, exercise 4.4. Multiply. Here we will learn how to multiply 3-digit number with 1-digit number. So 3 7 ja 21, 1 2 goes up as a carry. Then again 3 2 ja 6, 7, 8 and 3 1 ja 3. Our answer is 381. Next question is table of 9. How many of you are knowing table of 9? Very good. Start reading. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 9 ja 81, 1 8 goes up as a carry. Again 9 1 ja 9, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Tell. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 again carry. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 1, 46. So our answer is 4671. Now the next question. Question number B, part 1. See, this is not given in the column. So first of all, we will arrange in the column as for the place value chart. So we will write ones, tens, 100. So ones place digit is 6, 3, 7. We have to multiply 736 by 7. 7 6 ja 42. 4 goes up as a carry. 7 3 ja 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5 again 2 goes up as a carry. 7 7 ja. Okay, let's start. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 49, 50 and 51. So answer is 5152. Now the second question of B part is 157 multiplied by 8. So let's start ones, tens, 100. So start filling the number first. Ones place digit is 7, 5, 1. We have to multiply this number 157 by 8. 8 7 ja 56, 5 carry. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4, 45. 45, 4 goes up as a carry. 8 1 ja 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 1250. Let's look at the new topic of multiplication. Multiplying by 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on 90. First we will learn how to multiply a number by 10. So look here some example. 5 10 ja 50. 9 10 ja it is equals to 90. Then I am writing 21 10 ja it is equals to 210. Children, do you find something in common? Yes. So ones place is 0 in all the numbers. So what we can conclude it, when we multiply a number by 10, simply put 0 to the right of a number. Then first we will multiply the number by 1 and then we will put 0 to the right of the number. So now we will learn how to multiply a number by 20, 30 and so on till 90. So I am writing here one example here. 4 into 20. Same method we can use here. First we will split. We can write 20 as 2 into 10. 4 into 2 into 10. So first we will multiply here these first two numbers. Yes. So 4 2 ja 8. Then bring 10 down. We know just now we have learnt in the previous rule, when we multiply a number by 10. So simply find the product and then simply put 0 to the right of the number. So here 1 8 ja 8, then 0. another example. You look, I'm taking another number. Here is 6 into 50. So 6 same we can split as 5 into 10. So first we will multiply these two numbers. 5 6 ja 30 and then by 10. 3 10 ja 30 10 ja 30. Then simply put 0 to the right of a number. So same method we will use here to multiply a number by 30, 40, 50 till 90. So in general rule, what we can say, to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30 and so on till 90, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3 and so on till 9 and put a 0 to the right of the product as we have done it. We have found the product 10, 30, 1 ja 30 and then put 0 to the right. So now we will solve some question from your book from exercise 4.5. So first question is 21 into 30. Same method we will apply here. We will write 21 into 30. So we can split like that. 21 into 3 into 10. So first I will multiply these two numbers. Yes. So 21 into 3. 3 1 ja 3. 2 3 ja 6. 63. Then 10. What we will do now? 63 1 ja 63. Then I put 0 to the right side of the product. It's clear? Now look the another example here. 16 into 20. 16 multiply by 20. So 20 we can write as 2 into 10. First we will multiply these two numbers. 16 2 ja 32 multiply by 10. Then we just now learn when we will multiply a number by 10. So simply put 0 to the right of the number. So 32 we'll write as it is and then put 0. So answer is this. I think you all have learned basic concepts. So thank you.